Hello there, it's Old Family Remedies here, struggling with stuffy sinuses, pressure headaches, or difficulty breathing. I know that feeling, and trust me, sinus congestion can be frustrating and exhausting. You're constantly reaching for tissues, your head feels heavy, and it's hard to focus on anything else. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to share some effective, natural remedies that will help clear your sinuses fast and improve your breathing. We're talking about simple solutions you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. These remedies have worked wonders for countless people, and I'm confident they'll help you breathe easy again. Stay till the end for a powerful DIY steam inhalation recipe that provides instant relief. And if you find these tips helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Let's kick things off with a classic remedy: steam inhalation. This is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to find relief from sinus congestion. You know that feeling when your nose is totally blocked and you can barely breathe? Steam acts like a natural decongestant, helping to open up those nasal passages and loosen up all that thick mucus that's causing you trouble. Here's how you do it. Grab a pot, fill it with water, and bring it to a boil. Once it's bubbling, carefully pour the hot water into a large bowl. You want to be extra careful here, guys. Safety first. Now, drape a towel over your head, creating a sort of tent, and lean over the bowl, keeping your face a safe distance from the hot water. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths, inhaling that warm, soothing steam. You'll feel the steam working its magic, loosening up the congestion and making it easier to breathe. Do this for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll be amazed at the difference. For an extra boost, try adding a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint. We'll talk more about the benefits of essential oils in just a bit. This next tip is simple but oh so important. Stay hydrated. When you're battling sinus congestion, drinking plenty of fluids is crucial. Think of it this way. When you're dehydrated, the mucus in your sinuses thickens up, making it even harder for your body to clear it out. But when you're properly hydrated, that mucus thins out, making it much easier to drain. This helps to flush out all those irritants and allergens that are causing your sinuses to go haywire in the first place. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be plain water all the time. You can also sip on herbal teas, broths, or even warm water with a squeeze of lemon. Just make sure to avoid sugary drinks, as they can actually dehydrate you. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest yet most effective ways to support your body's natural healing process and find relief from sinus congestion. Let's take a closer look at ginger and honey tea, a powerful duo that not only tastes amazing but can also work wonders for your sinuses. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, meaning it helps to reduce swelling and irritation. And when your sinuses are inflamed, ginger can be your new best friend. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant, which means it helps to draw moisture into your body. This can be super helpful when you're dealing with dry, irritated nasal passages. Plus, honey has antibacterial properties which can help fight off any infections that might be contributing to your congestion. To make this soothing tea, simply wash and chop a small piece of fresh ginger root. Add it to a pot of boiling water and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the tea has steeped, strain it into a mug and stir in a spoonful of raw honey. Take your time sipping on this warm, comforting tea and feel the ginger and honey work their magic. Essential oils are like nature's little helpers, offering a wide range of therapeutic benefits. When it comes to sinus congestion, certain essential oils can be incredibly effective at providing relief. Eucalyptus oil is a personal favorite. It has this powerful, invigorating aroma that can help open up your airways and loosen mucus. Peppermint oil is another great option, known for its cooling and soothing properties. It can help to numb the pain and reduce inflammation in your nasal passages. And then there's tea tree oil, a powerhouse when it comes to fighting infections. Its antimicrobial properties can help to clear out bacteria and viruses that might be causing your congestion. There are a few ways to use essential oils for sinus relief. You can add a few drops to a diffuser and let the aroma fill the air, creating a spa-like experience in your own home. Or you can try adding a couple of drops to a bowl of hot water and inhaling the steam, just like we talked about earlier. Just remember to always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil, like coconut oil or almond oil, before applying them directly to your skin. Now, let's talk about saline rinses, also known as nasal irrigation. You might have heard of a Neti pot, which is a popular tool for saline rinses. Basically, a saline rinse involves flushing out your nasal passages with a saltwater solution. This might sound a little strange at first, but trust me, it can be incredibly effective at relieving sinus congestion. Think of it like giving your nasal passages a good, thorough cleaning. The saltwater solution helps to flush out all the gunk that's built up in there, things like allergens, irritants, bacteria, and excess mucus. This can help to reduce inflammation, clear out your sinuses, and improve your breathing. You can find pre-made saline rinse kits at most drugstores, or you can easily make your own at home using distilled or sterilized water and non-iodized salt. Just be sure to follow the instructions carefully and use the correct water temperature to avoid any discomfort. This next tip might sound a little counterintuitive, but hear me out. Eating spicy foods can actually help to drain your sinuses. I know, when you're already feeling congested, the last thing you might want to do is eat something that could potentially make your nose run even more. But here's the thing, spicy foods contain a compound called capsaicin, which is what gives them that signature heat. Capsaicin acts as a natural decongestant, helping to thin out mucus and stimulate those nasal passages to open up. So if you can handle the heat, try adding some spice to your next meal. Think chili peppers, hot sauce, wasabi, horseradish, whatever you enjoy. You might be surprised at how quickly it can help to clear out your sinuses. Getting a good night's sleep is crucial when you're feeling under the weather, but did you know that the way you sleep can actually impact your sinus congestion? When you lie flat on your back, it can cause mucus to build up in your sinuses, leading to that dreaded stuffy nose feeling in the morning. To prevent this, try sleeping with your head elevated. You can do this by adding an extra pillow or two beneath your head or using a wedge pillow. Elevating your head helps to promote drainage and prevents mucus from pooling in your sinuses, allowing you to breathe easier throughout the night. Plus, sleeping with your head elevated can also help to reduce snoring and improve your overall sleep quality. It's a simple adjustment that can make a world of difference. Sometimes the best remedies are the simplest ones. Getting fresh air and sunlight might seem like a no-brainer, but it can do wonders for your overall health, including your sinus health. Fresh air helps to circulate oxygen and can help to clear out your nasal passages. Sunlight, on the other hand, is a natural mood booster and helps your body produce vitamin D, which plays a vital role in supporting your immune system. A strong immune system is key to fighting off infections that can lead to sinus congestion, so make it a point to spend some time outdoors each day, even if it's just for a short walk around the block. Breathe in that fresh air, soak up some sunshine, and feel your body and mind rejuvenate. And there you have it. 8 natural remedies to help you breathe easy and find relief from sinus congestion. These remedies are simple, effective, and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Remember, taking care of your body is key to feeling your best. Which remedy worked best for you? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your feedback. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural health tips. And as always, stay healthy, friends.